Hi friends, welcome back. This is Naveen. In this video, I'll be analyzing Nifty 50 index. I'll be analyzing this to trade tomorrow, that is on 11th August 2021. So, if you observe the Nifty 50 stock, Nifty 50 index in daily time frame, see this was the crucial level. See, this was the very important level which was broken currently, which was the 15,900 range. So it has given breakout now. After the breakout, it has moved till 16,350 and it is making a consolidation at that point. So if you observe the daily candlestick, let me delete this. If you observe 4 days candles, 4 previous days candles, you see that back to back we are getting a spinning top kind of candle, which states that neither the buyers nor the sellers are dominating in the market. If you get the buyers in the first half, in the second half the sellers are taking, in the second half sellers are regaining the momentum, right? So if you, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. See, at the 16,350 level, the index is facing resistance multiple times. At the same time, at the 16,200 level, the index is facing support, right? So we have 4 supports and 3 resistance. So in this indecision index, in this indecision market, how you are supposed to trade is, see, you are supposed to enter only at these levels. Either you are supposed to enter at resistance or at this support level. So this is the support level, 16,200 is the support level and 16,350 is the 16,350 is the resistance level, right? So currently the market has closed at 16,268 level, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, you are supposed to wait for the market to either come at this level, either it should come at 16,350 level, or it should be trading at 16,200 level. So let me show you how you are supposed to trade is. So at 16,350 level, if you find any bearish candlesticks like this, so if you find any shooting star, engulfing or spinning type kind of candle, you can initiate a sell trade. So at 16,350 level, you are supposed to look for the candlesticks like this. So if you get any this kind of bearish candlesticks at 16,350 level, you can initiate a sell trade. Your stop loss will be high of this candle and your take profit should be at 16,200 level. In case of any bearish candles at 16,350 level, the bearish candles like this, shooting star, engulfing, spinning top, or in case of any small candles like this, so you can see at this point, right? So let me go to the chart. So if you find any this kind of candles, if you find this kind of back-to-back small candles which is consolidating within this range, within the 16,350 level, you can look for the sell opportunity only with the good candlestick confirmation. You are supposed to look for the candlesticks like the shooting star, engulfing, spinning top, or any other bearish candles. In case if you find the stock trading at this 16,200 level, you can trade the Nifty index in the buy side too. In that case, you are supposed to look for the candlesticks like, let me go to the next slide and copy this. In case if you find any bullish candlesticks like this at 16,200 level, you can initiate a buy trade too. Your stop loss will be below this candle or below 16,200 level, and your take profit should be at 16,350 level. We have a minor support or resistance at this level, 16,280 level. So if you find any sell opportunity at this resistance level, 16,350 level, with this kind of good candlestick confirmation, you can initiate a sell trade. Your stop loss will be above 16,350, and your first take profit should be at 16,280. In case if it breaks that 16,280 level, you can expect a target till 16,280. Or else if you find any good buy opportunity at 16,200 level, if you find any candlesticks like this, you can initiate a buy trade too. Your first take profit should be at 16,280, and your next take profit should be at 16,350. So this is the opportunity which I am currently looking in the Nifty 50 index. So do wait for the 16,000, either at 16,350 level, do wait for the 16,350 level, or do wait for the 16,200 level. In case of breakout or breakdown of either of this level, you can initiate a buy trade too. In case of breakout of 16,350 level, you can initiate a buy trade. Your stop loss will be below 16,350. In case of breakdown of 16,200 level, you can initiate a sell trade too, and your stop loss will be above this 16,200 level. So this is what I am currently seeing in the Nifty 50 index. Hope you guys understand the analysis. So in case of any good opportunities, I will make you a separate video in the live market in tomorrow's trading session. So make sure you subscribe my channel and do follow me in the YouTube. Thank you.